How to pay off credit card debt in 12 months. Credit card debt is one of the biggest thieves of your future wealth. If you have $10,000 in credit card debt at an average interest rate of 25%, you're essentially working for free just to pay the bank. That stops today. I'm giving you the 12-month Debt Avalanche Plan, the mathematically superior way to wipe out credit card debt, even if your income is average. We're going from paralyzed to power, so let's get started. Step 1. Stop the bleeding, crucial first step. Before you pay anything off, you must stop adding new debt. This is step 1. Go cold turkey. Cut up your credit cards or lock them away. If you rely on them for emergencies, use a debit card instead or establish a tiny $500 emergency buffer first. You cannot fill a bathtub while the drain is open. This step sounds easy, but it requires discipline. Use cash for 2 weeks just to recalibrate your spending habits. Step 2. The Debt Avalanche Power Play. You have two main methods: snowball, pay smallest balance first, or avalanche, pay highest interest rate first. The avalanche is mathematically superior. Here's the action plan. List every debt. Create a spreadsheet with 4 columns: lender, balance, minimum payment, and interest rate APR. Order by APR. Sort the list from highest interest rate to lowest. Your target is at the top. Find the extra cash. This is the key. Use the zero-based budgeting method, which I showed last week, link above, to find an extra $300, $500, or even $1,000 per month. Attack the target. Pay the minimum payment on all debts, but throw all your extra cash at the debt with the highest APR. Once that one is gone, take that old minimum payment and the extra cash and smash it all into the next debt on the list. This creates the avalanche effect. Step 3. Slash expenses for turbocharging. To find that extra cash, you need to ruthlessly audit your expenses. I'm talking about high-impact cuts that aren't painful forever. The big 3: audit housing, transportation, and food. Can you move to a cheaper apartment? Can you cycle or take public transport 2 days a week? Can you meal prep? The subscription co. Use an app to find all those forgotten $10 subscriptions. Cut them all until the debt is gone. These temporary, high-impact cuts are what lets you beat the 12-month deadline. Conclusion and CTA. Credit card debt is a marathon, but the avalanche method gives you a clear finish line. Start today by listing your debts and finding your extra cash. If you need help finding that extra money, check out my zero-based budgeting video linked on the screen. Subscribe to the channel. We're here to help you get control of your money, not let it control you.